Imagine being able to earn $4 within 30 seconds of pressing a button. How great is it? In just a few minutes, we'll show you how to watch such a simple video. Watch this video and you'll earn between $200 and $500 an hour. This is overwhelming, and all you need is a smartphone or computer to carry out this strategy, which is 100% free and available worldwide. We'll show you how to sign up for a free account right away and which videos will bring you the fastest money. We'll also give you a concrete example of how to get started, and at the end of this video, some bonus tips to help you earn an extra $400. Do not skip any part of this video. Attention at the end. I'll be announcing our first channel giveaway. At the end of the video, I will give the instructions and you can participate. Let's start with the video. First, go to google.com and search for the keyword twitch.tv. Then click the search button and you will see the first link, twitch.tv here. Clicking this link will take you to this website where you can find a variety of videos and channels that you can watch for free. Most of these videos are game videos, so you can make a lot of money online with such videos. Then click the browse button above to redirect to this page. On this page, you can see the various categories and videos available on this site. From there, you can go down to find and check out other categories of different videos. Keep an eye on this category, which is the Fortnite category, as it is currently one of the most popular game videos. Clicking on this category will take you to the Fortnite section with over 62 million followers. Many people are interested in watching these videos. Scroll down to see more videos to watch and make money. Please visit this website OKE.io to proceed to the next step. This is the website you use today to watch such a simple video and learn how to make big bucks online. Please do not worry. It's very easy. This video will show you exactly how to do that. Check out how it works. First, you need to register for a free account on this website. Then you can shorten the long URL link. Suppose you copy this video link, then return to this page, paste the Twitch TV URL link, and then click this button to shorten the URL. This is a short link provided by this website, and every time people click on your short link, you will be paid multiple times for each click, depending on who clicked on it. Depending on the country of origin, they will make different amounts. For example, a German person can click a link to earn $5, while an American person can earn $5.10. This is exactly how all these people around the world could make money online, sometimes hundreds of dollars, just by posting a shortened video link to this website. Check this out. Currently, over 373,000 people are actively using this website and make money every day. They can offer you various payment options like PayPal, Payza, Skrill, WebMoney, Bitcoin, and bank transfer. Learn how to sign up for a free account. Simply click the sign up button above and you'll be redirected to this page where you can sign up for a new membership for free with no investment. All you have to do is enter your username and email address, confirm your password here, and click the send because I'm not a robot button. You can then log in to your new account. On the stats page, which is also the home page, you can see how many people clicked on your link and how much you can earn on this website. This is a brand new account and the links haven't been shortened yet, so you can see that they haven't made any money yet. Here are some specific examples of how to do this. First and foremost, go back to Twitch TV and look for the 3 videos in the Fortnite category. Click this video, the first video, the second video, the third video. Before digging deeper, subscribe to the channel and give yourself time to appreciate the video if you've ever enjoyed it. And if you find this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Let's go back to the video. Open multiple browsers and open video number 1, video number 2, and video number 3. Go back to the first video. Go down and click the share button and copy the URL link for that video. Simply click copy to return to your account dashboard, enter the Twitch TV link in the box, and click short. This website automatically shortens this link to a much shorter link. Copy now. Now do this for your script. This is my Fortnite video post, just copy and paste and you can make money right away. Let's give a brief introduction to this game and then say, click the link below to watch more Fortnite videos now. Paste the short links to the 3 videos here and you will make money every time people click on your link. For example, suppose you paste a short link below the first video. This is my first URL link. Every time people click on your link, you receive different amounts depending on their country of origin. For example, if someone in Norway clicks on your link, you'll earn $4. Repeat this process to return to the second video. Just click the share button and copy the long URL link. Click copy to return to the dashboard, click remove to remove the dashboard, paste the new URL for the second video here, and click the speed button. Again, the site will automatically shorten the URL to that link. Then click the copy button to return to the copy and paste template. You can now paste the second link into video number 2. Go to the third video, scroll down and click the share button again to copy the video URL link. Then go back to your dashboard, delete everything, paste the new third video link, and click the shorten button. Finally, this is the third video link. Just copy this and paste it into your template. For now, that's all. I'm going to give you a complete template that you can copy and paste, and by using it, you can finally start making money right away. As always, I give you a bonus tip at the end of the video. Now, go to this page, forums.pcgamer.com. This is a very popular and well-known community where people discuss various game-related topics, including Fortnite videos. I like this site because it is completely free and can be accessed from anywhere in the world. There is a lot of lively debate and people talk about games every day. Under General Games, there are over 22,000 messages and over 300 posts under the discussion of PC games. Suppose clicking this link takes you to this page where you can find different posts. Many people write very short and very simple posts on this forum and they get a lot of feedback. There are so many options on this site. Now, if you search for the keyword Fortnite, you'll see that many people are discussing this topic. Currently, there is a lot of demand in the field of game video. On Twitch TV, you can see that over 62 million people follow Fortnite videos. This forum is a great place to copy and paste the exact template and share it with everyone in the forum. You can make money depending on your country of origin by clicking on one of the abbreviated links. That's what all these guys here make their money. That's all. If you like this kind of similar content, check out the other videos. When we reach our first 500 subscribers, we will be raffling off a prize of $50 among our subscribers. To participate, you just have to press the like button to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell. If you have any other questions, feel free to comment below. See you in the next video.